Do you see a mouseketool we can use to play Puzzler Pete's tune?
I know, the giant horn. It's a musical instrument.
We got ears. Say cheers! What mouseketool can we use to get that baby hippo to move? A baby rattle? Some bouncy shoes? Or the mystery mouseketool?
Well, we could try the baby rattle. Babies love to play with rattles. Maybe the baby hippo would like it too.
Great idea, Minnie. We got ears. Say cheers! We have the bouncy shoes or the mystery mouseketool. Do you think we could use the bouncy shoes to jump up high enough?
Yup.
We got ears. Say cheers! The only mouseketool left is the mystery mouseketool. Let's hope it works. Everybody say, mystery mouseketool!
Mystery mouseketool!
What's today's mystery mouseketool?
Oh, it's an elephant.
I don't see how an elephant's going to be any help.
Oh, I have an idea. We picked all our mouseketools. Say super cheers!